Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. Learn and earn AWS and Azure DevOps. You can earn $70 per hour after completing all the courses available free of cost on DevOps King channel. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Today we shall discuss how to configure Azure CICD for .NET Core 8 API on Huawei Cloud with using Docker, part 1. If you need any help, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All the videos on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today, in part 1, we shall discuss the installation of the Docker. First of all, I would like to explain the stack for the application. This is a microservices application in which the front end is the Next.js. After that, in the stack, there is a gateway in .NET Core 8 and microservices in .NET Core 8, and at the end, in the database, we are using MS SQL Server. I shall explain and dockerize all the layers of the application in this series. Let's start. First of all, we shall configure the Dockers on the Huawei Cloud. In order to make sure that all the packages are up to date, we shall apply the command sudo apt update. We can also apply the command sudo apt upgrade in order to upgrade the existing packages. In the step 2, we shall install the dependency of the Docker by using this command. We shall install the dependency of the Docker. After that, in the step 3, we shall require the secure installation method, so we need to add the Docker official GPG keys. We shall add this by using this curl command. In the next step, in the step 4, we shall use the now set up the stable Docker repository. This will allow you to install the Docker running Ubuntu package manager apt. Now we shall apply this command. After applying this command, in the next step, we shall, after adding the repository, we shall again apply the command sudo apt update so that all the packages are available for the installation, like this one. This makes the new Docker packages available for the installation in this step. In the next step, we shall install the Docker engine by using this command sudo apt install docker ce cli and docker io. By using this command, we shall install the Docker engine in the step 6. In the next one, we shall check the version of the Docker by using this command sudo docker -- version. When you apply this command, we shall get the version of the Docker by this one. After this, we shall make sure that the Docker is running on our Azure cloud on our Huawei cloud. So apply the command sudo systemctl status docker. We shall check that active running. It will show that our Docker is running, and in the next step, step 8, we shall add the, by default the docker command need to be run with sudo. If you want to run Docker without sudo, you need to add your user to the Docker group. In order to add in the Docker group, we shall apply this command, this one. Now in the next step, we shall make sure that our user is added in the Docker group by this command, new grp docker. This command will show us that the user has been added to the Docker group. And in the next step, this is very important in order to check the method for the Docker, how we pull the images from the Docker hub. When we apply this command, in order to make sure that our installation are good, we shall apply this command, docker run hello world. After applying this command, first of all, our Docker will check for the image in the local, like this one, unable to find the image locally. This is not available. First time this will be not available on the server. After that, our Docker will pull the command from the Docker hub. This is very important to know that how the Docker works. This line show that our installation are correct, working correct. Moreover, these steps are very important in order to learn the Docker. To generate this message, Docker took the following steps. The Docker will complete the following step. This is very important to know how the Docker works. After that, in the last step, we shall, in order to enable the Docker to start on boot of the server, we shall apply this command, sudo system enable docker. In this part, we have completed the installation and the different commands for the Docker. And in the part 2, we shall configure the Nginx and its important parts required for the CICD on the Azure cloud. See you in the next part.